Hello, hello. I'm out with my buddy Nick Klaus today. Say hello to Nick Klaus, everybody. So yeah, today we're just going to ride out to J&P Cycles. I'm looking for some gear, and we just, it's a beautiful day, so both of us just love to be out riding as much as we can. I'd love for you to join us today. F***ing Tesla! I feel bad now. I'm sorry for flipping you off, random person. I just don't like your car. I want you to know that. It's not that I don't like you. You're just someone with a lot of money and a low IQ. That's okay. We don't judge. I just think you should have bought something cooler with that 80 to 100 grand or whatever. Oh! This guy's got fucking rocks on him, bro. I hate when trucks have all the rocks and dirt and you're getting pelted with that shit, man. Let's see if I can get a shot of Nick. There you go. Man, his bike sounds good. Oh, fuck. Somebody died. For sure. Somebody got seriously hurt, man. Oh, I hope they're okay. Could you imagine hitting the metal that hard and it just crinkles like that? Ouch. Sex lights. You know why they call them sex lights, don't you? Because somebody's getting fucked. It's always nice to stand up on your passenger pegs. Air out your legs, that engine's hot. You've been riding for a while, just stand up. Let the breeze come on through and cool you down. Fix your pants, get adjusted. Got a little traffic jam because of the sex lights. No, Tesla. Such a good place to pull someone over. Was it right here this whole time? We went right past it. Oh my God, it's right there. I drove right past it. That's funny. So funny. I was having so much fun riding that I went right past our destination. Damn, that's a nice bike. Yeah, I love those things. One day I'll get one of those when I have a spare 20, 30K lying around. Yeah, sounded just like that. He's got the see-through crankcase. Derby cover. That's sick. Damn, he got the turbo on there. Turbo? Yeah, dude. Look at the turbo. Intake, throttle body, his wastegate and everything. That's sick. Thing's f***ing bad. Oh, sweet.